Hey everyone, today's video I will share how to unsuspend it for circumventing system for my Google Ads account. So you can see this now. Previous 3 days ago, my account is suspended for this one circumventing system for multiple account abuse violation. Okay, so you can see Google Ads account is suspended. Your Google Ads account is suspended. That's advertiser. This is more information add together. Okay, so this is a magical 2 days. I can share this message for this account suspension appeal is received only for 7 hours ago. You can see this my account is suspended for appeal already application for this receipt for Google advertiser department. So I can see this my appellate number. Everything is here. They can see. Then only for 6 hours ago, then just 1 hour ago, my your Google Ads account is reactivated. Okay, so this is one. Your Google account was temporarily suspended to verify billing information and policy compliance. How to reactivate it? So you can sort of start ads again. So you can see this another one, another everything for this one. You can see again mail for this. Update for Google suspension appeal ID or 64490492257. You can see update my account for this Google suspension appeal. Okay, so appeal is successful. So you can see this is only for circumventing issue. I can share everything for my Google Ads account. You can see my Google Ads account is unsuspended. My account is circumventing system policy for multiple account abuse. I can see everything. If you need any service for Google Ads account unsuspended, like circumventing or billing information or misrepresentation, and no problem, just contact here. This is a description for WhatsApp. Okay, thank you everyone. See this video. See more again for e-commerce. You improve e-commerce. Everything I know everything. This is a Google Merchant Center and all are everything for the Shopify dropshipping. Any other Google Ads account, Google Merchant Center, just contact here. I can share everything. I can show everything. This is my service. Thank you everyone.